What comes to your mind when you think of the endless horizons, the vast expanse where the sky kisses the sea? As I stood there, gazing at the Florence, Oregon coastline overlooking the horizon, I couldn't help but feel excitement and awe. The scene before me was mesmerizing, and I knew I had to capture this moment. The Florence coastline extends as far as you can see, with sandy beaches meeting the rolling Pacific Ocean waves. The bright blue waters blend smoothly with the sky, making a breathtaking view that feels open and welcoming. As a photographer, these are the moments I treasure, capturing the perfect mix of beauty and peacefulness in nature. Holding my camera steady, I aim to capture the expansive coastline in one frame. The steady sound of waves crashing on the shore provided a calming background to the beautiful scene. I took a deep breath, feeling the salty breeze on my face, and pressed the shutter button. The image that emerged was nothing short of breathtaking. Every detail in the photo tells a story: the strong cliffs, the soft curves of the beach, and the endless horizon that calls to adventurers and dreamers alike. As I reviewed the shot on my camera, I felt a sense of accomplishment and gratitude. This photograph wasn't just a snapshot. Rather, it was a tribute to the beauty of nature and the peaceful moments it offers. Taking this photograph of the Florence coastline was a reminder of why I became a photographer. It's about capturing the beauty of our world, one frame at a time, and sharing it with others. This coastline is truly remarkable, with its endless horizons and captivating charm. It inspires awe and wonder in all who take the time to admire it. Have you ever stood at the edge of such beauty and felt its power? If not, I hope this image brings you closer to experiencing the magic of the Florence coastline. It showcases its endless horizons and invites you to explore its beauty.